Hey, this is Paul Richards with Divergent. My top 5 albums is actually going to be 5 albums that, as a drummer, really helped me formulate my style. And this one right here is from 1991, Smashing Pumpkins' Gish. This album to me represented a lot of different things. It represented punk, it represented melodic, it represented hard driving stuff, it represented a lot of different things. So on this album, I was in high school actually, senior in high school when this was released, and I've had this CD ever since, but obviously I listen to it now via Spotify and whatever, but awesome songs like this, Rhinoceros, Tristessa. I mean, Jimmy Chamberlin just was the master. Peace out.